Hello, welcome to AI Factory.
Unlock 137 groundbreaking AI video generation features, all in one powerful tool.
Pollo AI tutorial.
As AI video generation continues to evolve at a rapid pace, finding a tool that's both simple and powerful might seem like a challenge. But Pollo AI, the newest innovation from HIX.ai, is here to make video creation effortless and efficient. Whether it's crafting AI-generated images or producing imaginative videos, this tool simplifies everything. With just a text prompt or a static image, Pollo AI automatically creates high-quality videos. No advanced skills or time-consuming editing required. From animations to environmental effects, the tool lets you produce videos in a variety of styles. Pollo AI transforms your creative vision into reality at the click of a button, unlocking endless possibilities for content creation. Let your ideas take shape effortlessly and bring your imagination to life like never before. Let's dive into Pollo AI and give it a try. You can find the link to the website in the description box of this video. Start by clicking Start for free, then log in using your Google account or another email option. I chose Google for convenience. Once logged in, the default language is English. To make it more user-friendly, you can change the language by clicking the language options at the top of the page. Pollo AI supports a wide range of languages, including French, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and many other languages. Choose the language that suits your preference. As a free user, you'll receive 20 credits to get started. If you check in daily for 7 consecutive days, you'll earn an additional 25 credits as a reward. It's simple and straightforward, perfect for exploring the tool's features. Once you log in, you'll see the current main feature list on the left-hand side. The first category is AI video generation, offering a comprehensive range of functions like image-to-video, text-to-video, character consistency videos, video-to-video, AI animation, AI video effects, and much more. It appears to incorporate all the AI video generation features available on the market. Below that, you'll find the second category, AI image generation. If you don't have your own images prepared or are unable to find a good AI image generation tool, you can use Pollo AI to create the images you need. The homepage also showcases results from other users, which you can browse for inspiration or guidance. Now, let's dive into the details of how to use it. First, we select the image-to-video option. Once opened, you'll notice at the top that it allows switching between 17 different models. It seems to gather nearly all the AI video generation tools currently available on the market. Alongside Pollo AI 1.5, an advanced and versatile model, there's Runway Gen 3 as the second option, followed by Kling 1.6, which can generate even more realistic movements. Other models like Hailuo AI, Pixverse version 3.5, Wanks, and Pika are also available. I've introduced many of these AI video generation tools in previous tutorials. If you'd like to learn more details about how to use them, please visit my channel to explore further. First, upload the image. Let's say it's a photo of a motorcyclist. After confirming, proceed to enter the prompts below to define the action you want for the image, such as making the motorcycle appear to move. Next, choose a mode. Standard mode quickly generates an AI video. Professional mode creates higher quality and longer videos. Adjust the strength of the prompts. Left side leans toward creativity and flexibility. Right side strictly follows the exact input prompts. Choose the appropriate level based on your needs. Below that, set the video length. Default is 5 seconds, but you can select 10 seconds or other durations. Further down, there's an option for negative prompts, which lets you specify actions or elements you don't want in the video. Customize this as needed. Finally, click Generate. The process usually takes around 4 minutes, so just wait a bit and your AI video will be ready. The results are truly impressive. The movements are incredibly smooth, and the overall realism is remarkable. The generated effect is absolutely outstanding. The second option is text-to-video. Simply input your content, or let the AI generate it for you. Below, you can choose the aspect ratio. 16:9 is the default, but if you're creating for mobile, you can select 9:16 instead. There's no need to adjust anything else. Just click, generate, and you're all set. The third feature is even more practical. It helps you create character consistency videos. This function is truly useful. Once opened, you can upload multiple images to generate a video with consistent characters. For example, by uploading 3 images, it combines them seamlessly into a video. I'm not sure why it gave her a crown. It's a bit odd, but overall, it managed to maintain character consistency quite well. The fourth feature, Video to Video, allows you to upload a video and choose from 32 unique animation styles, each with its own distinct characteristics. Simply select the style you like, and it will generate a video with that effect. There are also AI animation and AI video effects, which you can explore. In the AI animation section, you can choose a Studio Ghibli-inspired style or any of the 10 other available animation styles. There's a wide variety to experiment with, so feel free to test different options. Further down, the AI video effects section offers numerous modules, along with examples to help guide your selection. You can apply effects such as AI hug, AI kung fu, AI muscle generator, and compression effects. By browsing results from other users, you can also gain inspiration. Next is the AI image generator, featuring 10 models. Simply provide a prompt and pick your preferred art style. There are 70 styles to choose from. Pollo AI appears to integrate a vast collection of art styles, allowing for extensive customization. If the first generated image isn't quite right, you can experiment with a different model and style for better results. The image-to-image feature also includes several models to choose from. Upload an image as a reference, enter your prompt, and generate similar images. You can select models like Flux or Stable Diffusion 3, which help create more detailed and complex scenes. Additionally, Flux Pro and Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra allow for even more intricate visual compositions. Beyond these tools, there are even more AI-powered utilities. Some of the standout options include Video Upscaler, Lip Sync Tool, Video Enhancer, Video to Anime Converter, Video Filters, AI Dance Generator, Face Swap, Video Background Remover. Pollo AI is a powerful AI tool that enables you to generate artistic style videos with just one click and at high speed. That concludes today's AI tool introduction. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.